Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the seventh chapter, that is looping structure. Okay, in PHP, looping structure. Okay, this is the main concept of PHP. Okay, what is looping structure? Looping structures in PHP is an iterative control structures that involves executive the same block of code a specified number of times. Okay, loops that iterate for fixed number of times is also called as bounded loops. Okay, what is the concept of looping? Okay, looping means it is nothing but the program. Okay, a set of commands will be executed again and again within the same program by using loop command. Okay, this is the simple concept of looping structure. Okay, the program, a set of statements can be executed within the program again and again by using loop statement. Okay, what is meant by bounded loops? Loops that iterate for fixed number of times is also called as bounded loops. Okay, some of the loops have a fixed times, a fixed number of times execution. Okay, here if the condition is false, okay, if the user giving condition is false means again and again the program will be executed within the loop, but here the loop will fix a number of visiting times. Okay, that is number of execution time is finished means if the condition is false means this program will not be executed. Okay, because it will have a fixed number of execution times. This is called bounded loops. PHP supports four types of loops. Okay, for loop, for each loop, while loop, do while loop. Okay, here we can give four looping statements. First one is for loop. Okay, this is the most widely using loop for in all the programming languages like C, C++, Java also. Okay, the for loop is used when you know how many times you want to execute a statement or block of statements. Okay, here we can give the syntax of for loop. For init counter, okay, the first variable here, init, test and increment is a data type of the PHP language. Okay, here the counter, the second counter and the third counter is user defined value of the particular data type. Okay, here for init counter, here the counter is the value of the init data type. Okay, test counter, similarly increment counter. Here we can give three values. Okay, three values inside the for loop, then open and close curly braces, code to be executed. Whatever it can be executed inside the program, it will be given by the user. Okay, this is the user defined programming command. This is the syntax of for loop. Here I can give the example program of for loop. Open the PHP tag, then for, here I can give one condition, $i equal to 0, $i less than or equal to 10, semicolon, $i plus plus. Here I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1. Okay, this is the general form of I plus plus. I equal to I plus 1. Okay, I equal to 0 means I less than or equal to 10. Okay, here I less than or equal to I means that is 0. Okay, 0 less than or equal to 10, then I equal to I plus 1 means I equal to, again it will be incremented by 1. Okay, I equal to 1 because I equal to I plus 1. I is 0, then again I plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, then I getting a value as 1. Okay, this is the concept of for loop. This iteration is very important. Okay, here I can print one value by using echo command. The number is $I, that is here we can give the output as 1. Okay, then the condition will be false. Okay, again and again it can be executed within the same program. Okay, I equal to I plus 1 means it can be incremented one by one value. Then again the condition will be checking, and again this condition will be also checked, then this part will be executed. Okay, then we can close the PHP tag. This is the simple example of for loop. Okay, the for loop is most widely used loop in all the programming languages. Okay, the next one is for each loop. For each loop is executively available in PHP. Okay, and is mainly used for looping through the value of an array. Okay, it can be mainly used for looping through the value of an array. It can be used to passing the value to the into the array. The next point is the loop iteration depends on each key value pair in the array. Okay, the loop iteration depends on each key value pair in the array. For each loop iteration, the value of the current array element is assigned to $value variable, and the array pointer is advanced by 1 until it reaches the end of the array element. Okay, this is the concept of for each loop. Here I can explain it. The syntax of for each loop is for each of $array as $value. Okay, here $array is a data type. Okay, and $value is a user defined value to the program. Okay, the compiler will check the array value as the value of the current variable. Okay, then if the condition is true means, okay, if the condition is true means this code will be executed. Okay, if the condition is false means the condition will not be executed, it will be terminated. Okay, this is the concept of for each loop. Okay, here I can give one example program of for each loop. Open the PHP tag, then we can assign the value array of Mugilan, Inian, Nilani, Sibi, Shiny. Okay, we can assign the student names to the particular variable as student name. Okay, $student name. Here we can execute the for each loop, that is for each of $student underscore name as $value. Okay, if the condition is true means the echo part, that is $value part, will be executed. If the condition is false means the condition will be terminated. Okay, this is also similar to the for loop. This is the concept of for each loop. Okay, then close the PHP tag. This is the main important loop concept. While loop. The while loop executes a block of code as long as the condition specified in the while statement evaluates to true. Okay, here we can give the syntax to the while loop. While of condition is true. Okay, here we can give the value to the particular value means if the condition is true means then only the program will be executed, otherwise it will be terminated. Okay, while of condition is true, then open the curly braces and the code to be executed, then close the curly braces again and again. This is the syntax of while loop. Example program. Here I can give one example program of the while loop. Open the PHP tag, then we can assign the value 10 as the variable $student count, then $number equal to 1. Here while of $student underscore number less than or equal to $students underscore count. Okay, this is the condition of the while loop. Then we can print one value as the student number is $student underscore name close the double quotes. Inside before we are closing the double quotes, we can use the BR command, that is this is called break statement. Okay, this will be used to termination of the particular line. Here we can terminate the line by using the break command. Okay, BR means inside the tag we are writing BR means break keyword. Okay, then the increment operator will be assigned student number plus plus, that is student number equal to student number plus 1. Okay, this is the brief explanation of student underscore number plus plus. Then we can give semicolon to terminate a line, then close the curly braces, then close the PHP tag. Okay, this is the concept of while loop. If the condition is false means the while loop again and again will check the condition to get the true value. Okay, do while loop. The do while loop is always very similar to the while loop, but executes the block of code at least once before evaluating the condition. Here the condition is evaluated only at the time of exit of each iteration. Okay, here I can explain it. This is the syntax of do while loop. Okay, do, then open the curly braces, the code to be executed, then close the curly braces, then we can give while. After that we can give the condition is true. Okay, do while loop. This is the example program of do while loop. Then open the here we can open the PHP tag, then assign the value, assign both the values to the two variables as 10, 1, that is student count, and another one is student number. Then we can use the do statement. Open the curly braces again, print the echo value. The student number is $student underscore number, that is this is the printing statement. And then we can terminate the line by using break command, that is BR. Okay, $student underscore number plus plus. Okay, this means student number equal to student number plus 1. This is the increment operator. Then close the curly braces, then open again we can give the condition. Okay, here we can give the condition as while loop. Okay, while of $student underscore number less than or equal to $student underscore count. Okay, then close the PHP tag. This is the execution of the do while loop.